Back YouTube, it's your boy Boss here from Big Boss Productions. Today I'm gonna show you guys the growth of those green bean plants that I planted. You guys will be surprised. I planted them about like a week ago. You guys will be surprised how, I guess you want to say tall or how much they don't grow so far. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys in a second. All right guys, so check this out. There's a week worth of growth. It's still sprouting. So today I'm probably gonna move them to this bin right here. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the process. I'm gonna try to do this gently as possible. All right. See, I put too many in here. Look at that growth. Look at that. I'm a little bit nervous. Break them things up. Give me a little more soil. Each one of these seeds that I grew has sprouted. Look at that. I'll separate them as gently as possible. Look at that. Gently as possible, because all the roots are with each other. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate all these, and I'm gonna get right back to you guys. All right, in 1 second. All right, guys. So I got everything separated, like so. Without further ado, start planting these. I'm not gonna keep all of these. Probably get some to my folks. You know what I'm saying? So probably stick one about right here. Make a little old crater. You know, just so I can get these roots, get a good one. These, like this one right here, he look real good. That's all I'm gonna do. Let them just like that. Let's see what else one I'm gonna get. This one right here for sure. I didn't expect all of those to grow like that. But hey, I'll take it. Just like that. They're gonna hold root, you know. I still got two in it. This one didn't too make it too good. Put them in there. See what else one. Got so many of them, I don't know what to do with them. Anybody want some green bean seedlings? Like I said, this is my first time doing this, guys. Probably put one right here, right in the middle. So y'all got any tips, man? Let me know. Let me know what I can be doing better. You know? See what else one I want. Check this out right here. I knew they was gonna grow like something about that background noise. You know, over here in the dang trailer park. One day we'll be up out of here. These things right here. This gonna probably be the final spot for these green beans. So, dang, that's a lot of green beans. I might get another tub and do some more. Save some of these. Plant some more. This is my first time ever planting these green beans. Take this right here. Down in a little bit of dirt. That's it. Dang, that's a lot. I'm gonna do with all these. All right, guys. So I'll catch y'all on the next one when they start getting bigger. All right. Peace.